Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make the cinematic opening of text in Capcut in just 4 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is open up a Capcut template, and we are going to go to import, and from here let's insert one video and one white colored picture, and make sure it's in 16:9 of aspect ratio. We're gonna check up on the video and then insert it, and we're gonna insert another white image right here. Let's go to 0 second and make sure that our white picture is covering the entire video. Then go to text and click on default font, and we're going to just insert a text box, and what we're gonna do is just add our one word text, and we're going to change its color to blue. You can use any color you want because we won't be using a color in this. Then bold it and change its font. I'm using an Arabic font, which is a random font. You just need to use a font that is very bold. The next thing you need to do is just click on this and go to 0 second, and make sure that you now select this, like the text box and this white image. Right click on it and then click on create compound clip. So now we have a clip of both of these. Go to video and then click on remove BG, click on chroma key, and we're just going to put it onto the blue part or our text. So this is how our video looks like right now. Next, what we are going to do is basically go to the start again, copy your entire clip, and then I'm just gonna paste it using Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. The next thing that I need to do is select both these clips and split them from here, and I'm just gonna go to video and then go to mask, and from here let's give it split mask. Make sure that you are using both these two other clips that are onto the right side and not the ones that are onto the first side. Give the same mask to the second one, but we're going to rotate it in opposite direction of the first mask. Next, we're going to go to the first second of this clip and go to position in video and add a keyframe. Do the same and add another keyframe in the same clip but onto a further right side. Onto this keyframe, we're gonna move our text box outside and make sure that none of it is visible in our video. Do the same with the second clip, click on it, and we're gonna use the same position for the keyframes. Add the second keyframe first and add the first keyframe later. Then I'm gonna go to the second keyframe and move my image out of this entire design. So this is how it looks like right now. You do not touch the first two clips because these are just to remove the line that we see before in the masks. It is not visible in the first two clips, but in the later two clips it becomes a little bit visible on some people's devices. If you want to make your keyframe very smooth and the animation look smooth, right click on the keyframe and click on ease out on both of the clips. So this is how it looks like right now, but as you can see, this is very fast. You can just add the second keyframe on both clips a bit before, and that would make your video faster. So this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.